You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything real me. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kayla. You guys can already tell from the title of this video, I will be installing this wig that I just got from MyFirstWig. This was such an easy wig to install with very minimal work. All the work pretty much already comes done for you, so all I really had to do was put this wig on, and here we are. Now if you guys do want all the details on this wig, definitely keep on watching.
Riding dirty in the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shine and pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. My pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know soon as they see my jewelry. If being fresh to death is a crime, I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. Hustle like me is hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's unless it's about some dollars. They don't need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step. Yep, it's going down.
Alright y'all, so now that I'm finished styling this wig, I'm just gonna give you guys the tea on this hair. And this hair is so banging. I don't think I've ever really enjoyed like wearing bobs, or like bob wigs I should say, just because I feel like they never really come super flat for one, and they just never lay how I actually want them to lay. It's cut to perfection. It's a blunt cut bob, and I am just loving this hair. The color also, it's fall, so the brown came in like super handy, right in time for fall, and it's just giving everything that it needs to give. Like, it's giving grown, sexy, it's giving mature. Like, who is she? Having highlight brown invisible lace glueless wig. The hair has highlights in it, as you guys can see, and it is a blunt cut. It doesn't say blunt cut, but it says pre everything highlight bob wig. Y'all, I don't know where to start. So the lace on this hair is thin and it just melts right into your skin. And I know they double bleached this unit, so the lace itself, they extra bleached it, but I don't know if that's the reason why it's just like so melted. I didn't have to use any powder, any lace tints, nothing. You guys, look how natural that looks. You cannot tell me that's not going to bother my scalp. Like, this is a pre-everything done unit, which pretty much means it has the pre-cut lace, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, and it's pre-styled for you. So literally all the work is done. All you have to do is put the wig on, and that is it. But for this wig, because it is a 13x6 lace, as you guys know, the air tabs is not staying down, so I did have to use my lace spray just to hold the air tabs down. But the lace itself, like right here, I didn't use any adhesive at all, so I can still fit my comb under there. But yeah, so I would say it's partially glueless, if that makes sense. But yeah, but other than that, the wig already comes with everything done for you, so no work is needed except for laying those air tabs down. Also, what I really like about this hair is a free part frontal, so which means you can part this wig on any which way of your face you want. You can do a side part, center part, wherever you want to part it, you can do. So I really like that. This is an Indian hair texture, as you guys can see. That's why it's like so soft, and so it has a lot of movement to it, a lot of body. Really like that. Hair overall feels amazing. Although they did go in and color it, it has no smell and it's just super soft to touch. So I really like that. Like I said, you guys, this wig right now is a 10 out of 10 for me. I wanted to mention that I did get my unit in a 14-inch. The hair texture that I got is a silky texture. Like I said, I got Indian hair. I'm not sure if they offer like different type of textures on there, whether it's Indian, Malaysian, or Peruvian. I know certain of their wigs you get to choose what kind of hair you want, but this one is specifically Indian hair, so I would choose that. The hair is just amazing. Hands down, some really good quality hair. I've always received like really great quality hair from MyFirstWig that will last you. Like, their wigs definitely last. I know they have like a higher price tag than your usual wig companies, but I feel like it's because their wigs actually last. Like, it's an investment. It's not like a wig that you know you're buying today and you have to buy another one within a month. These ones really last you a long time. So yeah, I think it's definitely worth it. Whatever price they have, it's worth it. And also right now they do have their Black Friday sale going on, so you're getting this wig out of a fraction of the cost. So I definitely think you guys should invest in that. Take advantage of their sale. This wig you definitely need. Like, this is a wig I would probably wear on an everyday basis from now on. So that is pretty much it on this wig from MyFirstWig. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this hair. Are we feeling her or not? Is she a keeper? Let me know. The information on this wig will be linked down below in the description box. My discount code will also be linked down below. That way you guys can save some coins. Use it. It will definitely save you a good bit of money. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.